My name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share how we can dress up party tray for any holiday. An easy cleaning if we're going to reuse them. We need just few napkins, plastic wrap and another tray to press plastic. I'm decorating tray for 4th of July. Depends on design, I usually use 4 or 5 napkins. I place napkin on a tray and now I'm ready for cover with plastic. I need to have enough plastic wrap to cover not only top but the bottom of the tray. To hold down cover, I'm going to use another tray. Now I'm wrapping around tray with plastic wrap. It is easy because on the bottom plastic sticks to itself. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.